Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate LinkedIn Campaign Manager with two-factor, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To authenticate LinkedIn Campaign Manager with two-factor authentication, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. You will now be on the Settings page. Look for the Accounts section on the left side of the page. In this section, click on Two-Step Verification. Here, you will find the option to enable two-step verification. Click on the toggle switch to initiate the setup process. LinkedIn will prompt you to choose how you want to receive your verification codes. You can choose between receiving a code via text message or using an authentication app. If you opt for text message, enter your phone number and click Send Code. Check your phone for the verification code, then enter it in the designated field. If you choose the authentication app, follow the instructions provided to set it up. Once you have scanned the QR code or entered the code manually, your app will generate a verification code. Enter this code in the LinkedIn verification field on your screen. After entering the correct code, click Verify. Your two-step verification will now be activated. You may receive a confirmation message indicating the successful setup. Next, navigate to the Campaign Manager by clicking on Work in the top menu. Select Advertise to open your Campaign Manager account. Whenever you log into Campaign Manager moving forward, you will be required to enter a verification code. Retrieve the code from your chosen method and enter it to access your Campaign Manager. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated LinkedIn Campaign Manager with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.